In this video, we will show how to replace the LED strips in this Samsung TV. Remove the piece on the back below the video plugins and then disconnect the cable that is underneath. Remove the screws and the back cover off the TV. Disconnect the speakers from the main board. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the scan drive boards. Remove the covers over the scan drive boards. Release the scan drive boards from the clips. Remove the panel frame. Flip up the scan drive boards and tape them to the TV panel. Using suction cups, lift and remove the panel from the TV. Remove the filter frame around the TV. Tape the corners of the filters and then remove them from the TV. Remove the tabs that hold the reflector sheet to the chassis. Remove the reflector sheet from the chassis. Remove the LED strips from the chassis. Push to remove them from the tabs and then disconnect them on the ends at the connections. We will only show replacing 3 strips in this video, but the same process applies to the remaining. Take your replacement strips and slide them into the tabs and then connect them to the power on the end. Reinstall the reflector sheet. Reinstall the clips that hold the reflector sheet to the chassis. Reinstall the filters. Reinstall the filter frame. Reinstall the TV panel. Realign the scan drive boards back into position. Reconnect the ribbon cables to the scan drive boards. Reconnect the speakers to the main board. Install the scan drive board covers. Reinstall the back cover and secure it to the chassis using the screws. Plug back in the cable.